And it's really important that everybody in your agency follows those same steps. So then if that one person who took the phone call is out one day, the person who's there can follow up and continue on those claims steps. Hi, Therese with Agency Performance Partners here, joining you from an event. I'm in a hotel room wearing my insurance chaos coordinator shirt that you can also get in our swag store at agencyperformancepartners.com. Today, I'm here to talk to you about streamlining your business insurance claims process as an independent agent. Now, anybody who knows me knows that I love streamlining processes. Streamlining is one of my favorite words, because it's really, really important as an agency. We show to our customers that we do everything the same, that you could call Sally, Jane, Jennifer, Judy in my agency, and we're all going to follow processes, and you're going to get the same customer service. You're not going to get Judy, who's a grouchy Eeyore, and the next day Jane, who's a wonderful, excited Tigger. That's not how it works. You want to make sure that everybody in your agency is flourishing. They're happy, they're excited to be there. Claims is one of your most important moments. And Kelly made a great point in our big blog banter that we did about how claims is when they actually are using our product. And I never thought of it that way. And I'm like, wow, yeah, they're actually using our product. And like anybody else who's listening to this, if you've had a claim, you understand how traumatic and how crazy those claims can be. I was actually hit a couple years ago. A lady ran a stop sign, didn't even slow down. She was going 45. She almost T-boned me, but hit me at my back rim. So she destroyed my rear axle of my Toyota Highlander. And it's now on its fifth bumper. They had to redo the bumper 5 times to get that bumper right. And the axle actually started leaking, and they had to redo the axle as well. It was a crazy situation. I knew as an insurance agent that I needed to be put back to where I was before the accident. But how many of our customers actually know this? Luckily, I'm an insurance agent, so I knew exactly what to do. So I called a tow truck. I had it towed to a shop that was of the carrier of the person who hit me, because I live in the state of North Carolina, so it all depends on who is at fault, on whose insurance you contact. So I set it all up myself. I even went and got a rental car, paid for it myself, and asked the company to reimburse me. But our customers don't know this. So we need to set up a system. Number one, if the customer calls in, what do? First of all, we have to say, are you okay? Was everybody in your vehicle okay? And then you go into the claims process. If they don't call you, you need to run claims lists every single day, and you need to be calling outbound and saying, hey, I was checking the carrier claims. I saw that you had a claim. Just wanted to call and make sure you're okay. It's a great touch point where you're not selling anything, but you're asking the customer if they're okay. So make sure that you have that first line, either calling out to anybody who has had a claim, or when they do call in, making sure that everybody's okay. And then your agency needs to determine the process. What are the steps you take when you call out or when someone calls in? Do you guys call the carrier and file the claim? Do you have the customer do it? Where do you put your notes? How detailed are your notes? What are those steps? And it's really important that everybody in your agency follows those same steps. So then if that one person who took the phone call is out one day, the person who's there can follow up and continue on those claims steps. So it's really important as the customers are using our products, which doesn't happen often, thankfully, but when they do need to use our products, it's probably one of the most important phone calls of their lives when they talk to you and they feel more comforted and they understand how the process works. So make sure your agency has a streamlined process. Check us out at agencyperformancepartners.com for more details and processes. We have process packs that will walk you through. It's like a template that we built to help walk you through building your own for your agency, because we understand all agencies are different. You all need to build your processes based on your agency and your people. So thanks for joining me. Check us out at agencyperformancepartners.com. Take care.